give it a try when I get home.
I've got note.
Yeah, I've got some at home I can use.
Well, I should.
I have two spares that's bigger than that.
Yeah, well, I should just stick some on either side.
I might try one. Oh, whoa. I'll have to get one of them.
Oh, come back.
Splash!
I knew that were gonna go.
You won't need to go in again, did you?
Yeah. I think it might have went out of range. Is it still flashing?
Yep.
Oh yes. All up. Well, that's different. I knew it was going in there.
Put it back in water, you might win the next one.
Yeah, it could have done.
You know you aren't supposed to fly them outside in windy weather.
Oh yeah, well there ain't much wind, was there? It's just a duck pond in the way.
You're lucky it still works. Well, I'm frightened it'll go down. You get that on camera then, Steve?
Yeah.
You're going to put that on website then?
Yeah, it's good on YouTube, that.
Are you doing John?
And it still works.
Not that for 20 odd quid.
I think that one was a bit more than 20 odd quid.
What? Helicopter, 25.